On top of 2:30 was Marathi journalist Nikhil Wagle, the next target of right-wing groups suspected in the murder of rationalist Govind Pansare. Amidst unconfirmed reports that Pansare's murder-accused Sameer Gaikwad has alleged that Wagle was the next target. Nikhil Wagle has meanwhile refused to accept police security as he has been under threats from Hindu right-wing organizations. Maharashtra CID officials had visited Wagle last week and offered him security, but he refused. In 2011, Wagle hosted a TV show on Maharashtra's anti-superstition bill in which a member of the Sanatan Sansthan walked out in a huff. Since then, Wagle says that he has received numerous threats from right-wing groups. Senior editor Sahil Joshi is now joining us with more details. Sahil, that's a very serious aspect of this entire targeting of rationalists is concerned. We are now seeing that reports of journalist Nikhil Wagle being the next target of Sameer Gaikwad doing the rounds. How serious is the situation and how is the police dealing with it?
Mahab, it has always been under question, especially since the time Narendra Dabholkar was murdered in 2012. That the rationalists especially have been target of the right-wing organizations, but for the first time that the government the police could manage to arrest someone from Sanatan Sanstha, who is known Hindu rationalist organization in Govind Pansare's murder case, and ever since police has been investigating that who else have been targeted by this particular organization. So Nikhil Wagle's case has come first because there is a common thread to all three of them, is that all of them were against, were supporting the anti-black magic law passed by the Maharashtra Assembly in 2012. And Sanatan Sanstha was entirely opposing this particular bill, and when it was brought to the Maharashtra Assembly, even Sanatan Sanstha staged some demonstrations against that, and Narendra Dabholkar was a crusader for this particular bill. Pansare was supporting this bill, and Nikhil Wagle, being a journalist, has been supporting this particular bill. So all these three people have a common thread of supporting anti-black magic bill. So because of that, Wagle has always been under threat. Last week, the CID branch police officials visited his residence and asked him to take the police protection, but he has refused at this point of time. Now the investigation is on in Pansare's murder case. First time some accused has been arrested by police. His interrogation is on. Many more details might be coming in because NIA has also spoken.
Sahil, also I'd like to know, you were pointing out that the CID went to him last week and offered him security cover because of the threats now. Why has Nikhil Wagle refused that security cover? Has he spoken to any of you all, his fellow journalists, and explained why he would not want a security cover despite the threats?
Wagle had never taken such kind of a security. He was given a security even 10-15 years before, when he had written articles against Shiv Sena, and then when his office was attacked by Shiv Sainiks. Despite that, he did not take a security. Even Narendra Dabholkar was asked whether if he will be needing a security or not, but he did not take a security. Pansare did not take security despite being threatened by many right-wing organizations. So it looks like that the same thing is continued, and even Nikhil Wagle has refused this particular security. In fact, few months before, one conversation of Nikhil Wagle with one of the activists was spread on WhatsApp, in which Nikhil Wagle had a fight with this activist on the same kind of discussion he held on one of the Marathi television channels. So this has been a case since 2011, especially as far as Nikhil Wagle is concerned. There are many more details will be coming up as Sameer Gaikwad's interrogation will further. But at this point of time, Nikhil Wagle has refused to take any kind of a security in this particular case.
But considering that anti-superstition activists as well as rationalists have been specifically targeted across India over the last 2 years, Nikhil Wagle's case is coming out as another shocker. He was apparently the next target of Sameer Gaikwad. That's what apparently he has told the police during questioning. Many thanks, Sahil, for joining.